We'll guide you through how to use Netlify Identity to manage user authentication for your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Netlify dashboard and select the site you want to add identity to. Once you're there, navigate to the Identity tab in the left-hand menu. You need to enable identity by clicking on the large Enable Identity button. After enabling, you'll see a variety of settings. For a basic setup, you can leave most of these as their default, but make sure to check the registration settings. Decide if you want to allow open signups, which means anyone can sign up, or if you prefer invite only, where only users you invite can register. Next, you'll want to set up email confirmations to ensure users verify their accounts. Under Emails, toggle on Confirmation to require users to confirm their registration via a link sent to their email address. Now, you need to add a sign-up form to your site. You can do this by creating an HTML form that will communicate with Netlify Identity's API. Use the script tag provided in the Identity tab to include the Netlify Identity widget in your site's HTML. This widget will handle user sign-up, login, and password recovery flows. Make sure to style the widget to fit your site's design using custom CSS. After setting up the form, test it to ensure that new users can sign up, receive confirmation emails, and log in. Remember, you can always manage your users from the Identity tab on Netlify, where you can view, invite, or delete users. This setup provides a simple and secure way to manage user authentication without needing to build a backend. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.